Welcome to my honest review of Oracle CX Sales, a powerful CRM solution designed to streamline sales and enhance customer experiences. In this video, I'll provide an in-depth walkthrough of its features, user interface, and functionality to help you understand whether it's the right fit for your business needs. Starting with the dashboard, Oracle CX Sales greets you with a clean, professional interface. The navigation is straightforward, and key tools like lead tracking, sales forecasting, and account management are prominently accessible. The customization options are robust, allowing users to tailor their workspace to match their unique workflows. Moving on to features. Oracle CX Sales excels in providing real-time analytics, AI-driven insights, and automation tools that save time and boost efficiency. For instance, the lead prioritization feature uses machine learning to rank leads based on their likelihood to convert. This is a game changer for sales teams looking to focus their efforts on high-value prospects. The integration capabilities of Oracle CX Sales are also worth mentioning. It seamlessly connects with popular tools like Oracle ERP, marketing solutions, and third-party platforms, making it a versatile choice for businesses with diverse operational needs. The mobile app is another highlight, ensuring users can stay productive on the go. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video to explore more helpful tools and insights. In terms of user experience, Oracle CX Sales offers a range of tutorials and resources for onboarding. However, it can have a steep learning curve for new users unfamiliar with advanced CRM systems. The pricing is competitive for enterprise-level businesses, but may feel steep for smaller organizations or startups. Performance-wise, Oracle CX Sales delivers on its promise of reliability and speed. Tasks like generating reports, managing contacts, and monitoring sales pipelines are completed without delays. However, occasional glitches in the mobile app have been reported by users, which is worth noting for those heavily relying on mobile access. Overall, Oracle CX Sales is a feature-rich CRM that caters to businesses aiming for growth and efficiency in their sales processes. While it may not be the easiest tool to master initially, its long-term benefits make it a worthy investment for organizations looking to scale. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one. Your support helps me bring you valuable content. Thanks for watching.